Is your iPhone alarm not working after updating to iOS 18.3.1? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore why this happens and share simple fixes to get your alarm back on track. Keep watching. Part 1. Why iPhone text message sound not working. iPhone alarm issues can stem from software glitches, settings, or hardware problems. Symptoms include silent or no alarms. Identifying the issue is the first step to fixing it. Part 2. How to fix iPhone alarm not working in 10 solutions. Fix 1. Check alarm settings. Open the clock app. Go to alarm, select an alarm, and tap sound. Choose a ringtone or song, then select a vibration pattern. Tap Save to finish. Fix 2. Check your sleep schedule. To turn off the sleep alarm, open the Health app, go to Sleep, and toggle off Sleep Schedule. To disable only the alarm, tap Edit, toggle off Alarm, and tap Done. Fix 3. Turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Open the Settings app and navigate to Focus, Do Not Disturb. Toggle off the Do Not Disturb switch or schedule it to end before your alarm goes off. Fix 4. Restart your iPhone. Go to Settings, General, Shut Down. Slide to Power Off. Fix 5. Check Standby mode settings. Open Settings and tap on Standby. Turn off the toggle for Standby. Fix 6. Disconnect from external speakers. Fix 7. Remove any third-party alarm apps. Fix 8. Wait for the next iOS update. Fix 9. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset all settings. Enter your passcode, then confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. Fix 10. One stop to fix iPhone alarm not working. If basic fixes don't work, try iOS System Recovery. It fixes iOS issues like alarm problems and system glitches without complex troubleshooting. Easy to use, it repairs your iPhone without data loss. Trusted by millions. Step 1. Install iOS System Recovery. Connect your iPhone and select More Tools, iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Choose Standard Mode and click Confirm to avoid data loss. Step 3. Verify iPhone details and let the program download the necessary firmware. Step 4. After the restart, reset the alarm, and it should work.